today we are going to be making whatever these are. And I'm here with my friend, Fluffy.
Hello.
And we're going to be making these really cool thingies. That's what we were trying to make. And that's what we made.
Super cool though.
Yeah, these are like really nice. It looks better when it's not on camera. So we were just using these Simply Juice bottles, and they are they work really well.
And they taste really good.
They do. We have some in our cups right now.
So pour the contents out of the bottles
Into
obviously.
cups. Or
Yeah.
drink it before and don't throw it away.
Yeah,
So
just a waste of juice.
yeah, so what you're gonna need is the bottle. And then like my other videos, we were picking our colors randomly, and
We have 4 colors.
the green is in there again. This time we're gonna be blindfolded. So we got that, and we got our blindfold over here. And then we got our water, and then our
we got
oil,
oil.
and our
into a
funnel.
cup,
Our
though.
funnel's right here. So both our water and our oil are in cups. There's the oil cup is right here. It says enjoy. I have that cup. So we're just gonna move everything to the side.
Side.
And-
my side.
You're gonna go.
I'm
do
gonna.
that.
Okay.
So here.
Hope I get a light color
I
because it
know.
looks better when you get.
I
light
really want the
colors.
color that we got for this one. We got
I got
the green.
green.
I hated that green.
Okay, it's fine.
Oh my gosh, I never want that green. Guess what? We always get that green.
I know, right?
It is so not satisfying. Where is the green anyway?
You're making me spill.
Where's the green?
Right there.
I don't see it. Oh.
Right here.
Okay, so when you added all the water, put that back. And then,
And it looks about like.
so it looks about to right where it goes up into where you drink out of it. Then I need that.
I can open it.
I got it.
You just got green all over
I
it.
got green all over it. Then you add like a drop because we don't want it. We want it to be light. So, and if you do want to add another drop, you can.
If it's a light color. If it's like purple.
I think we should.
Yes. Hey, can I drop it in?
No, you gotta pick it.
I put 2 drops in. I'm sorry.
It's so good. I love it. Then shake it up again. Then you take your trusty
Hey,
funnel.
that's still what? Like white.
Take your trusty funnel again. You don't really need a funnel. Just have something that helps
So you don't
pour it in.
spill all over your
I mean,
counter.
I would have
Seriously?
flung the food coloring everywhere. I'm so good at that.
I agree.
And you might want to add a lot of it. Okay, that's good. That's good. We're gonna overfill it like we did last time. Oh my
I'm sorry.
god. Okay. Okay.
No. Let me do it.
I need to find the food coloring. Where did that food coloring go? Oh, there it is.
It's in the chair.
I'm back. Let's put that in there. So if it does overflow, just dab it with a paper towel.
Like this. Ah, dude.
I have 2 paper towels.
I'm just gonna go grab a 3rd one.
Or even 3. You know, you can never have too many paper towels.
These are like cloth paper towels.
But if you do, it will actually go like this one because we did the same thing with this.
It was an accident.
Sure.
No, I'm serious.
And then we're just gonna wait.
Okay,
Okay.
that works.
Okay, now screw it on. And then you screw it on. Can I shake it?
I mean,
And then you shake it.
you might want more air than this because it's hard
Yeah,
to shake.
but it will go like this and it's really nice. I love it so much. I don't like the green.
I like it.
It's not my favorite
But it's
color.
Christmas colors.
I mean, it is close to Christmas. So, and then it goes into like bubbly, but then
Super
it
bubbly.
it goes like that.
Yeah, it's like
There's like oil all over the table,
sorry.
but you know, that's okay. So yeah, as I said before,
This is a messy thing.
I mean, I did say that, but yeah, pour your drink into a cup or drink it before and like don't waste it if you have all the ingredients. And then you can do this. You can really do it with whatever container you want. But we got these. We also got these containers. We thought that these would be better because they're, I don't know, they're nice. And then it just kind of sets, and then it kind of just turns into something like that. And I would recommend peeling the stuff off of it so you can actually see it.
Yeah, that's what we did with this one because I had
Yeah.
stuff on the back of it.
Mhm.
It just thinks it looks weird.
It does, because I got used to it. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to give it
Be sure
a big
to give
thumbs
this
up. Video a big thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe down below and share this to all your friends. Bye!
Bye.